Planning to sell your home? Want the best return on your investment? Stick around, these tips are for you. Selling homes is second nature to me as I've been doing this for many years. I get nervous sellers all the time, and of course they should be, as it's a big deal. Let's talk about curb appeal. It's important as it's a first impression that the buyer will see when they arrive at your home. The best thing you can do is rent a power washer or have someone come and do it for you. Either way, you want to wash years of dirt off your driveway, sidewalk, and if possible, the exterior of the home. You also want to pay attention to the front door. It takes a few seconds for me to open a lockbox, and this gives a chance to really look at your entryway while they're waiting to get in. Take a moment to make sure there isn't any paint peeling off the door or cobwebs around the light. Next, make sure to work with your agent on staging your home. 77% of buyer agents say that staging a home makes it easier for buyers to visualize themselves living in it, and staging will help your home stand out against the competition. Also, marketing is essential. You're going to want to make sure you get professional photos done and professional video. According to the National Association of Realtors, 67% of buyers will walk through a home that they saw online. Now that your home is all ready for buyers, you must have a showing plan. Buyers and their agents may request a showing of your home at any time without much notice, so you'll have to be prepared. Until your home is under contract, it's important to be able to leave your house at any given moment. A few things you can do is plan simple meals for easy to clean and make plans for outdoor activities. Also find a place to put your pets during showings. Maybe a friend or a family member can dog sit. These tips will help to get your home sold faster and for the amount you deserve. Thanks for tuning in. If you have questions, comment below. If you find this helpful, share with friends and family thinking about selling. Ready for a successful sale? Contact me now. I'm Monica with eXp Realty.